Hola, amigos. Welcome back to Lily Podcast, Learning with Fun. I'm your teacher, Lily, and today we're jumping into Lesson 2, talking about daily life in Spanish.
Hey Lily, I'm Jake, your favorite confused student. I'm ready to learn, but please go slow. My brain still thinks taco means every Spanish word.
Don't worry, Jake. You're doing great. And yes, tacos are delicious, but Spanish is more than food.
Wait, it's not? Then what am I even doing here?
All right, Mr. Comedian, let's begin. Today we'll learn how to talk about your daily routine, things you do every day. First, let's start with morning time. Jake, how do you start your day?
I wake up, hit snooze 3 times, and then regret my life choices.
Perfect. Now in Spanish, I wake up is me despierto. Repeat after me. Me despierto.
Me despierto?
Not taco. Despierto. Try again. Me despierto.
Me despierto.
Great. That means I wake up. Now, what about brushing your teeth? In Spanish, that's me cepillo los dientes.
Okay, me cepillo los dientes. That sounds like a spell from Harry Potter.
Maybe. Cepillo, the magic of clean teeth.
Cepillo los dientes. Boom! Sparkly smile spell.
You're a natural, Jake. Okay, here's another. I take a shower. Me ducho.
Me ducho? Sounds like nacho.
Yes, but don't mix them up. Me ducho means I shower. You don't want to tell someone I am a nacho.
Too late. I already feel like one.
Now, after you get ready, what do you do?
I go to work, but first I drink coffee. Lots of coffee.
In Spanish, I drink coffee is bebo café.
Bebo café. Hey, that sounds cool. Like baby cafe.
Exactly. Easy and fun. Now, I go to work. Voy al trabajo.
Voy al trabajo. So if I say voy al trabajo, that means I'm going to work, right?
Perfect, Jake. You got it. And I go to school. Voy a la escuela.
Voy a la escuela. Got it. Hey Lily, what if I don't want to go to work or school?
Then you say, no quiero ir. That means I don't want to go.
I'm writing that down. No quiero ir. My new favorite phrase.
I bet it is. Okay, let's practice a short conversation, okay?
Sure.
I'll be me, you be you. Ready?
Always.
Buenos días, Jake. ¿Vas al trabajo hoy?
No, Lily. No quiero ir.
You're learning fast and becoming lazy in Spanish, too. Okay, let's move to evening time. In Spanish, I eat dinner is ceno.
Say no. That's short and easy. I like that one.
Great. And I watch TV is veo la tele.
Veo la tele. Hey, Lily, how do you say I watch Netflix all night?
Easy. Veo Netflix toda la noche.
Veo Netflix toda la noche. That's my real Spanish life motto.
I believe you. And finally, I go to sleep is me duermo.
Me duermo. Okay, so me despierto is wake up, and me duermo is sleep.
Exactly. You got both ends of the day. Good job. Okay, let's quickly review everything you learned today. Repeat with me, amigos, listening at home. Me despierto, I wake up. Me cepillo, los dientes, I brush my teeth. Me ducho, I take a shower. Bebo café, I drink coffee. Voy al trabajo, I go to work. Ceno, I eat dinner. Veo la tele, I watch TV. Me duermo, I go to sleep.
And my favorite, no quiero ir.
Of course it is. Okay, that's all for today's lesson 2, talking about daily life in Spanish. You did amazing, Jake, and everyone listening too.
Thanks, Lily. I feel like I can finally talk about my lazy life in Spanish now.
Almost. It means I like. So for example, I like music. Me gusta la música.
Me gusta la música. Hey, that sounds smooth. I like it. Me gusta.
Nice. Now, I like to dance. Me gusta bailar.
Oh, I got moves, Lily. Me gusta bailar in my kitchen with pizza.
That's called multitasking fun. How about I like to play soccer? That's me gusta jugar al fútbol.
Me gusta jugar al fútbol. Hey, Lily, how do you say I like video games? That's important.
Of course. I like video games is me gustan los videojuegos.
Me gustan los What now?
Videojuegos. It literally means video games.
Me gustan los videojuegos. Nailed it. Can I add a lot? Like, I really like video games.
Perfect question. You say, me gustan mucho los videojuegos.
Me gustan mucho los videojuegos. That's me.
Now let's talk about weekends. Jake, what do you usually do on weekends?
I sleep late, eat pancakes, and pretend to clean my room.
That's a very honest routine. In Spanish, I rest is descanso. So, I rest on weekends is descanso los fines de semana.
Descanso los fines de semana. That sounds cool, like a vacation spell.
Yes, a relaxation spell. Next, I go out with my friends. Salgo con mis amigos.
Salgo con mis amigos. Hey, Lily, what if I don't have friends?
Then you say, salgo con mi perro. I go out with my dog.
That's actually accurate. Salgo con mi perro.
Perfect. Now, I watch movies. Veo películas.
Veo películas. So, if I want to say, I watch movies on Netflix, I can say,
Veo películas en Netflix.
wow, easy. Spanish is starting to sound like my weekend playlist.
Let's try a mini conversation, okay? I'll speak Spanish first. You answer.
All right, I'm ready, but my brain is nervous.
Don't worry. Here we go. ¿Qué te gusta hacer en tu tiempo libre?
Me gusta jugar al fútbol y ver películas en Netflix.
Excelente. And how would you say, I go out with my friends on Saturdays?
Salgo con mis amigos los sábados.
Perfect. Jake, you're sounding like a real Spanish speaker now.
Gracias. That means thank you, right?
Exactly. You're unstoppable. Let's recap, amigos. Repeat with me. Me gusta, I like. Me gusta bailar, I like to dance. Me gusta jugar al fútbol, I like to play soccer. Me gustan los videojuegos, I like video games. Descanso los fines de semana, I rest on weekends. Salgo con mis amigos, I go out with my friends. Veo películas, I watch movies.
And my favorite, salgo con mi perro.
That's a good one. That's all for today's lesson 2, talking about daily life in Spanish. You did amazing, Jake, and everyone listening too.
Thanks, Lily. I feel like I can finally talk about my lazy life in Spanish now.
That's progress. Don't forget to review these phrases and practice with friends or family.
Yeah, or with tacos.
Always with tacos. And remember, amigos, learning is more fun when you smile. Together.
Hasta luego. See you next time on Lily Podcast, Learning with Fun.